Welcome to the Metaverse, a virtual world where anything is possible. The world you create is only limited to your imagination. Quickly, what is one thing you want to create in this world? Why not create a whole universe in Decentraland, one of the biggest metaverse projects in the world right now? The question is, how big will Decentraland and Mana get? Stay tuned to find out. Hello Internet and welcome to the wonderful world of Crypto Cash Out, the channel where we take you on a journey with our videos. This channel is dedicated to making videos about the blockchain, so please consider following our channel. Remember that we are by no means financial advisors. We never claim to be experts of crypto, so please do not take what we say in this video as financial advice. In relation to that, please do additional research after watching this video. It will help you make better decisions in the future. That being said, let us head on to the video proper. So, like I said earlier, Decentraland may just be the biggest metaverse project in the world of crypto right now. If it isn't the best, then it certainly is one of the top names out there, together with the likes of the Sandbox, which we have a video on that as well. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of metaverse, then do not worry, as we are here to guide you on that as well. The term metaverse has been in everyone's minds ever since the rebranding of the Facebook company to Meta. Since then, the genre of having a virtual platform has boomed. So basically, a metaverse is a virtual world where you can do all kinds of things, from walking and seeing the world in a first-person perspective. And what happens when you integrate the blockchain to that? You get Decentraland. Decentraland makes use of two different tokens. In this video, we are going to talk about both of them, but more focus on one over the other. Let us start off with land. So, land, as the name suggests, is a piece of land that you can acquire in the game. Land is an ERC 721 token, which is an NFT. In total, there are over 90,000 pieces of land NFTs available for everyone. These lands are then divided into districts. Each land has a dimension of 16 meters by 16 meters, and because they are NFTs, they can be sold in the marketplace, and there are lands that can go for a high price. The unique thing about the land is that they can be designed in a way that suits you. Like I said in the intro, your creativity and imagination are the only things stopping you from creating the world that you like. Now, because you can create whatever you like on this platform, you can make it in a way where you can earn passive income with your land. You can design games within a game or a gallery where people can show off their art for an entrance fee. The possibilities are limitless. So yes, that is the beauty of lands. And if you want to sell them in the future, you can always do that. There are plots of lands that can go for thousands in the marketplace if it holds a special feature and whatnot. Because of its proximity to other attention centers, a capacity to host applications, and function as an identity mechanism, land is useful. In order to build on it and reach their intended audience, developers and other content producers will demand land. Up next, we have the second token, which is the Mana token, which is an ERC20 token, a lot different from land. Mana has several use cases, but the most famous of it is when you use it to buy, sell, and trade NFTs in the marketplace. You can even use it to buy lands in the world map. If not sold, people can also rent lands if there are some offerings for it. There are also lands in Decentraland that offer marketplaces where you can buy and sell NFTs here through the help of third-party sites such as OpenSea. At the time of writing the script of this video, Mana is currently priced at $1.06, which is 4.85% in the last 24 hours. The token may be down in the last 24 hours, but if you look at it from the bigger picture, we will see that they are performing well. In the last month, they have jumped from $0.82. Although they might be struggling, they are slowly finding their footing to recreate the success they had last year. And huge potential for growth isn't the only thing going for them, as they also have a huge market cap. Market cap, as we know, is one of the bases to know if a token is doing well. They have a market cap of $1.958 billion. That is almost $2 billion. This is one of the silver linings people have when talking about Mana. The trading volume for the token is also really high, which is good news to us all. Now, if you are still torn if you want to invest in Decentraland Mana, then you must look no further than their price predictions. Now, it is a general rule of thumb that for a game token to perform well, there are two main factors that we need to consider. The first is that since it is based on Ethereum, the performance of Ethereum will directly affect the price of Mana. The other thing is the performance of the game itself. The more people investing and liking the game, the better Mana will be in the future. That being said, on to predictions. Let's start off our predictions from the website of Trading Beast. The cool thing about Trading Beast is that they divide their price predictions per month, which means we can see how they predict the token at the end of the year. As you can see here, they predict the token to end the year at an average price of $1.48, but this price can reach as high as $1.85. That is a lot of room to grow before the end of the year. In 2024, they see the token being around $1.52. By 2025, Trading Beast expect the token to end the year at a price ranging from $1.91 to $2.81. This is a 100+% increase in price. Based on the forecast from Trading Beast alone, it is safe to say that the token will be a good investment in the future. And again, you can do more things on the platform like designing land for passive income in order to earn more tokens and have more money. Our next forecast comes from the digitalcoinprice.com website. They predict that the token will have a slow and steady growth in the future. But growth is still growth. Let's have a look, shall we? This year in 2022, they predict the token to be average $1.36 in price, which is an impressive growth. A year after that, in 2024, they expect the token to be $1.84. By 2030, they predict the token will be averaging $4.83 in price, which is really impressive. Lastly, we have from the website priceprediction.net. They are really bullish in the future of the token, especially down the line. Next year, they expect the token to reach as high as $2.15. By 2025, their prediction says that the token will average 2025. This is where things get interesting. A year after that, they expect the token to surpass the $5 mark. And by 2028, it will surpass the $10 mark. By 2030, they are expecting the token to reach $24.97. Another great use for the Mana token is that it is also a governance token. Decentraland uses the Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAO as a means of governance in the platform. This means that the people who hold Mana can have their say on how the world of Decentraland changes. With Mana, people can propose policies and its updates. They can also vote on land auctions here, and they can alter what type of content is allowed in the platform. Now, being a self-governing platform may be a good thing for them as the people will have a say on what they want to happen in the future. What will the future be for Decentraland? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video. We really appreciate it if you do. You can also subscribe to the channel. It's free and it helps us grow to make better and more videos like this. Comment down below your thoughts about Decentraland and if you think it is worth the investment for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. We also have a video on VVS Finance, so make sure you check that out if you haven't already. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have fun cashing out.